Eley Match, Tenex's little brother. Will it hold up at 100 yards? Let's find out. Hi guys, welcome back to the Gun Viking channel. Today we shoot the Eley Match. This is a downgraded Tenex. Sometimes you're lucky with the matches and you get actually better accuracy from the match than from its bigger brother, the Tenex. And we'll try to find that out today. And we are shooting at 100 yards. It is a little wind today, but I think it's good enough to do some shooting and try to get some groups. According to the box, this will have a velocity of 1018 feet per second. Let's see if that is correct. I'm just gonna start the chronograph, which has risen from the dead, as you can see. Let's see, where do we have Eley Match? There it is. Okay. Have to put in some airs. At least it's sunny and nice weather today. We are not spoiling Norway with this kind of weather. We are more used to snow. Okay. The last cartridge I shot was the big brother, the Tenex, so I don't think I'm gonna need fowlers. So I just start up in the left corner. And if the group is very bad, we're gonna call them fowlers, but let's see. Where is the target? There it is.
1077. 1079. 1083. 1092.
Wow!
1091.
Too bad with the one in the white, but was that the last shot? I just saw it. But that's not a bad group. Let's just call that one in the white the wind. Shall we? It's a lot hotter than the box is claiming. As I said, the box is 1018 and we are well up in the 1080 and 90. I don't think the Tikka barrel is particularly a fast barrel. Well, let's see. Upper right. There's heavy mirage today. Even at 90 yards.
1083. 1088. 1080. 1078.
It almost looks like it's the point of impact shifted a little bit. Strange. It sometimes does that when you're getting a new grip on the rifle. That's why it's important to never raise your head or start all over again. Because you might get a movement in the shot placement.
1082. 1077. 1081. 1089. 1088.
That looks like a decent group, doesn't it? I'm really happy with that one. I must say, up until now, the Match is doing just as well as the Tenex. And it's priced a good bit lower. Not half the price, but maybe 2/3 of it. Let's see if we can follow up that group with a new one. That's just as good. Or better.
1083. 1079. 1085. 1074. 1084.
I wish I could say that the one on the left was the win, but I think the win flag was straight down when I shot. Meh. Maybe it's me. Most likely it's me. Okay, we have one more try to get our one-hole group. That would have been fun, a one-hole group at 100 yards. But the Match, it's good. It's a good ammunition.
$10.69. $10.99. $10.92. $10.81. $10.91.
Well, it's not a one-hole group, but it's a good group. Now all that's left is to get the target and measure up the groups.
Group number 1 ended up at a respectable 0.724 inches. Pretty solid. Group number 2 unfortunately had a flyer and measured 1.054 inches. However, 4 of the shots were grouped very tightly. Group number 3 was the smallest, coming in at a neat 0.629 inches. Very happy with that one. And group number 4 was the largest due to an unfortunate flyer, but 3 shots went through the same hole, and it ended up at 1.126 inches. And last but not least, group number 5. It measured 0.786 inches. Not bad at all for a sport rifle. The average group size came out at 0.86 inches, well within sub-MOA territory. Now, let's take a look at the chronograph. The chrono picked up all 25 rounds, and the minimum velocity was 1069 feet per second, and maximum velocity was 1099. This gives us a spread of pretty good 30 feet per second, and the average ended up at 1083 feet per second. Quite a bit hotter than advertised. But look at that standard deviation. 7. That's pretty good. That was all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. But remember, subscribe to my channel, press the like button, comment, and of course press the notification bell to never miss a new video. See you next week.